As the industry meets in Barcelona to discuss the future of innovation in mobile and in IoT, it's important to discuss the GDPR to ensure that not only data but privacy is put at the center of that innovation.
GDPR is a very big step forward for many reasons. It will achieve a lot of things and it will change a lot of things.
We do agree that the GDPR is a major step forward in ensuring trust in the tech sector because the GDPR has been built in a way that it's user-centric. It's for the user and thought for the users, and there is a major step in that direction.
We see more a chance in a GDPR that will be coming next year because it cares for a harmonized regulation environment in Europe, which will enable better and more scalable business models, and it cares also for a level playing field, which is really important for us as a competitor in a competitive environment.
On the other hand, in looking in the company itself, it really fosters the effectiveness of data privacy issues by implementing this privacy data protection risk assessment. We already have done this. This really helps to bring forward privacy by design issues, and there we are back at the Internet of Things.
Creating trust in the Internet of Things is a joint responsibility of regulators, industry, consumer, standardization organizations. So in that respect, what the European Commission is trying to do is to look into basic principles and minimum requirements for increasing security and privacy in the Internet of Things and creating products and services that the consumers would really like to use. So in that respect, we are looking into certification for IoT products and services and potentially also a lightweight labeling scheme that would increase trust and would make consumers really eager to use Internet of Things products and services.
If the right regulation is not in place for IoT, whatever that regulation is, or delegated act or so forth, there could be a huge missed opportunity for that type of new business model.
So the data protection regulation is about personal data protection, which means a lot of security is involved. Encryption is in 4 times, security is in 50 times, and it's all about transparency. When you know what you're talking about on data, personal data, what you're using it for, what purpose, which context, then you can actually start using this law as a very new law and something that you can actually use for the best of your company.
It's a bit of a contradiction. Companies want to move fast, but actually if you don't engage regulation and government, actually we will not make progress because everybody works for themselves, and that's a problem.
So NXP's role is as a technology provider is to enable companies to understand what the requirements of GDPR compliance is and to help them design the system to meet the compliance rules. But at the same time, it's actually to enable a user-friendly system so that something's fun to be able to use the systems, something that enables you to travel around without worry.